Is this the bus stop for Main Street?
Yes, it is. Are you going to Main Street too?
Yes, I am. Thank you. I'm always a little nervous asking strangers.
That's okay. Many people feel that way.
Really?
Yes, talking to strangers can feel scary at first.
My English is not perfect.
That's okay. You speak clearly.
Thank you. I try to use simple sentences.
Simple is good. Simple is natural.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I take it to work.
Oh, where do you work?
I work in an office near Main Street.
Nice. I'm going to a job interview.
That's exciting.
Yes, but I feel nervous.
That's normal before an interview.
Sometimes I don't know what to say in English.
When that happens, ask simple questions.
Like what?
Like, is the bus usually on time? Or, is it always busy?
Ah, that's easy to remember.
Yes. Questions help start conversations.
Is the bus usually late?
Sometimes, not always.
I see.
You can also say, do you know when the bus comes?
Do you know when the bus comes?
Good. That sounds natural.
Sometimes I say the wrong sentence.
Like what?
I say, you wait this bus?
People understand, but a better sentence is, are you waiting for this bus?
Are you waiting for this bus?
Perfect. That sounds natural.
I understand. Add are and for.
Yes. Small change, big difference.
Do people like talking at bus stops?
Some people do, some people don't.
How do I know?
Look at their face. If they smile, it's okay.
If they look busy?
Then maybe don't talk too much.
That makes sense.
Last week, I talked to a stranger here.
Really? What happened?
She asked, is this the bus for the hospital?
And you helped her?
Yes. Then we talked about the weather.
That's a good topic.
Yes, weather is easy English.
What can I say about the weather?
You can say, it's very hot today. Or, it might rain later.
It's very hot today.
Exactly.
Sometimes my mind goes blank.
Blank means no ideas, right?
Yes, I forget words.
That happens to everyone.
Even native speakers?
Yes, even us.
What should I do when I don't understand someone?
Say this. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Good.
And if they speak fast?
Say, can you speak more slowly?
Can you speak more slowly?
Perfect.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
Talking is easier than I thought.
Yes, practice helps.
I will practice every day.
Even small conversations help.
Oh, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I see it.
I'm glad I talked to you.
Me too. It was a nice conversation.
Talking to strangers is not so scary now.
See? You did great.
Before today, I stayed quiet.
Many learners do that.
Now I want to try more.
That's the best way to learn.
Speak first, improve later.
Exactly.
Let me practice one more sentence.
Sure.
Do you take this bus every day?
Perfect.
Do you think it's usually busy?
Great job.
Are you waiting for this bus?
Natural and clear.
Thank you for helping me practice.
You're welcome.
I feel more confident speaking English now.
Confidence grows step by step.
I will remember that. Oh, the bus is very full today.
Yes, many people go to work at this time.
Do you always stand on the bus?
Sometimes, if there is no seat.
I see. I usually feel shy on crowded buses.
That's normal. Crowded means many people close together.
Yes, many people close together.
Do you like talking to people on the bus?
Sometimes, but I don't know how to start.
You can start with something simple.
Like what?
Is this seat free?
Is this seat free?
Yes, very natural.
Or maybe, does this bus stop near Main Street?
Great question. Very clear.
I feel more comfortable asking questions now.
Questions make conversation easier.
Do people usually talk to strangers in the U.S.?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
When do they talk more?
When waiting, like at bus stops, airports, or lines.
Ah, when people have time.
Exactly.
I want to sound friendly in English.
Smile when you speak.
Smile helps?
Yes, people feel comfortable.
Sometimes I worry about my pronunciation.
That's okay. Speak slowly.
Slow is better than fast?
Yes, slow and clear is best.
Let me try another sentence.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
Really?
Yes, you sound confident.
Confidence is hard for me.
Confidence grows with practice.
Practice every day?
Yes, even one sentence a day.
Yesterday, I talked to a cashier in English.
That's great.
I said, "How was your day?"
Nice small talk.
She smiled and answered me.
See? English creates connection.
I want to try again today.
You will do great.
Maybe I'll talk to someone on the bus.
Start small. One question.
Okay, maybe I'll say, "Is this your stop?"
Perfect. Very natural.
Or, "Do you take this bus every day?"
Yes. Excellent practice.
Thank you for talking with me.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
I learned many simple sentences today.
And you used them well.
Before, I was afraid to speak.
And now?
Now I feel ready to try.
That's a big step.
English feels more real when I talk to people.
Because it is real life.
Not just classroom English.
Exactly. Real English happens outside.
Next time, I will start the conversation first.
That's a great goal.
Even if I make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I will remember these sentences. Is this seat free? Are you waiting for this bus? Does this bus go downtown?
Perfect practice lines.
Thank you again.
Anytime.
Have a good day at work.
You too, and good luck speaking English today.
I will try my best.
That's all you need.
Bye, Jake.
Bye, Emma. Keep practicing.